Hey y'all, so welcome back to another episode of Being Chisholm. I know I look absolutely crazy right now. I don't even want to talk about how bad I look. But I basically wanted to stop what I was doing really fast to show you all how I do my jumbo box braids. And so as you can see, I have like a couple done already. The back is totally done, but today I didn't want to do my whole head over again, so I just shampooed the front part because it does take a couple hours to do. It takes me about, with washing, 5 hours to put my braids in, but without washing it'll take me about, I want to say like two hours or something to do all of my braids in this method. So I went to the beauty supply store and I got elastic black bands, but some people actually use the clear bands. I've noticed the clear bands are way stretchier, so they're better for your hair, but they do break way faster. So in order to ensure my braids don't slip and stuff like that, I just go ahead and use a black rubber band. People say that it does break your hair a lot more, but in order to avoid it breaking your hair, basically I only wrap 3 times and then I do a little pull to make sure it's tight in there and stuff. So my hair is already washed. I let it air dry, so it's very like crinkly right now. It's crunchy, y'all, crunchy. And so I'm using, you can use any hair thing you want. I'm using Canon with argan oil leave-in conditioner. That's what I put on my hair all the time after I wash it. Sorry, my voice is gone, I'm sick. But that's what I put in my hair all the time, so that's what I'm going to use today. And I don't have perfect parting because I don't use a comb for anything. I don't know why. I'm going to take my rubber band, I'm going to take the piece of hair that I want to use out of my own head, and I'm just going to secure a rubber band, tie it about 3 times. Okay, so after I tie the rubber band, I'm going to go ahead and pull. Let me see if I can zoom in. I'm going to go ahead and pull on the rubber band piece. All of these are in rubber bands. All of these parts that are sticking up, those are all in rubber bands. So the next thing you're going to need to do is to get a piece of hair. The type of hair that I use is by Model. It's the African braid Kanekalon hair. It's flame retardant. I don't know if that matters. But the one that I got, it comes in this type of packaging. The one I got is the really long one because I take it and it comes in like 3 long hoop type things. I take those, I cut them in half, and then that's what I use for my hair. This whole pack was like $11.99, but the individual packs are basically like $2 or something at the beauty supply store here, and I didn't want to carry individual packs, so I just got one long pack and cut it in half according to how long I wanted my hair pieces to be. I'm reusing hair because I told you all I'm just redoing some of the braids in the front, so that's why you see it's already crinkly and things like that, but it's gonna come absolutely straight. And what I do is at the bottom, I pull the pieces to make the hair uneven. The reason you do that is because if the hair is not uneven, then you're not going to be able to lock the ends of the braids. Now, I put rubber bands at the end of my braids, but that's because of security reasons. I do a lot. I do different hairstyles with my braids, so I don't want any hair to slip. I take a little bit of that Canon cream oil. I take a little bit of that and I put just a very little bit on each side. I take the hair, I hook it on to whatever piece I want to do. So I want to work on this piece right here, this edge one, my tiny little scrunchy area. I'm going to take the hair in the middle. I'm going to put it right on top of the rubber band. So as you can see, I literally just slipped it there. I'm going to take a finger and pull that hair up, my regular hair up. Shut up outside. I'm going to pull my regular hair up and then I'm going to begin twisting and creating a braid. Now if you don't know how to braid, I'm not teaching you in this tutorial because I don't even know how to teach people to braid. I'm not even that good at braiding. But I'm going to start braiding and I'm using my regular hair, if you haven't noticed, to create that braid. At one point you're going to notice that you can't obviously use any more of your own hair. So you're going to incorporate hair from the other side. I'm going to take hair from this side and I'm going to give it to the middle of my hair. This sucks because it gets tangly. I'm going to give it to the middle of my hair where my real hair is. So Kanekalon hair, real hair, and Kanekalon hair, and Kanekalon hair. Then I'm going to start again twisting, well not twisting, braiding my hair. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and come back and show you all how I design. But I have to finish getting ready for today because I have an event to go to and everything like that. But I decided to just throw in a top knot bun, and then I'm going to do some more decorating to this one over here, not the same, probably something different. Get dressed, do more of my makeup, eyeliner, lashes, all of that, and I'll see you all next time. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you for another episode of Being Chisholm. Peace.